Alright, and welcome back to another one of these videos. But yeah, I'm gonna just get right to explain what we're gonna be doing. So I actually started an Instagram page, and it's just having to do everything that I'm doing at school and everything that I am, basically like my journey learning how to do hair and trying to become a cosmetologist as I am doing myself. And yeah, I started a new Instagram page. I'm actually posting on I'm posting on Instagram pretty frequently, and I'm actually posting on TikTok. I just barely made my first TikTok post yesterday, and my Instagram will be right over here. And I hope that you guys actually go and visit it and just go support it. And if you don't, then that's okay too, And today what we're gonna be doing is actually a hair tutorial, and I'm gonna be learning how to do this tutorial as I go along with you guys, because it's actually my first time doing the hairstyle. And the hairstyle I'm actually gonna be attempting is gonna be right over here. And if you guys wanna watch the rest of the video that I am actually showing right now, the link will be down in the description below, and go and check out her page, all right? And give it lots of love. And after, I'm actually gonna be posting the results on Instagram. I'm gonna be posting the before and the after. And we're not gonna be doing it on a real person, because I unfortunately do not have a real person to practice on right now. But I do have my mannequin heads, and I'm gonna be practicing my mannequin heads, and hopefully over time that will transfer over to the actual real people that I'm gonna be practicing on. And yeah, let's just get started. Now that you see the tutorial, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the mannequin head, and I'm gonna put her into the two sections that you saw her doing the video, like this. All right, and I'll come back when that's done. All right, as you can see, we actually have our mannequin head right here, and I already did the sectioning. Prior to actually showing you guys, but I will be cutting to a video showing you guys how to do the sectioning right now. It's just I wanted to clarify that this certain style will be using kind of like a high bun. As you can tell, it's not like down here in the middle. It is a little bit higher than normal. But I want you guys to do the sectioning before you guys actually tie up your hair, and I'll show you guys how to do the sectioning right now. Okay, so for the sectionings in the front, I actually only want you to go about maybe, what is this, like 2 to 3 inches. Go to 2 to 3 inches straight down the middle, as you can see, and then actually pierce off to the right, and then go down. And this is going to be how big your section is actually going to be. As you can see, you're still going to leave a little bit of your side hair. You're still going to be leaving a little bit of your side hair there, and you're actually only going to be getting most of the top. And for this section, you're going to be doing the exact same thing. The only thing is that this one actually I already started braiding it, and the way that I actually got the braid to go and fall back this way is you actually have to braid either facing up or have somebody braid your hair from behind. And this is actually an underhand braid, as you can see. And we're just gonna want to braid both of these two sections. And I'll let you guys know what to do next after we finish the braiding. All right, and now that you have your two sections all braided up, they should be relatively around the same size, as you can see. And if you guys actually do not know how to braid, I will be putting up a video tutorial pretty soon of how to braid hair. All right, I only know 4 different types of braids, but I'm only pretty good at 3 of them, so I'm probably not gonna show the 4th one until I'm actually really good at it. And yeah, so I will show you guys what to do next. For the next step, you're actually gonna be, hopefully have your hair tied up in a bun now, or in a ponytail, I mean. And you actually split the ponytail into 2. You pull it towards you, and it's almost like as if you're like tying a shoelace, basically, right? You use these fingers right here to trap this hair inside, as so, and then you pull it through, and then you're able to get it right here, and you tighten. And as you tighten, you pull these strands that are left out, you pull them towards you, and you interlace them, as in you put them over each other. And then as they meet in the back, this is where you can in my instance, I'm going to be using rubber bands, but if you have a liga, then you could go in and tie up the hair with the liga. All right, and I'll be back once I have it tied. Now that I have the bun secured, right, you're gonna get the 2 strands that you originally braided, right, and you're going to interlace them like this, put one of them over the other, and you're gonna go actually behind the bun, as you can see, and you're gonna interlace them again, and then bring it forward. And that will be covering the first original liga with the excess hair. And now in this case, I'm gonna be using a scrunchie, right? And now you could tie up the hair and secure it. And now, as you can see, we are left with these 2 braids going interlaced, crossing over each other, and a messy bun. And this would be the entire hairstyle. All right, so I hope you guys actually enjoyed the video tutorial. This is actually my first ever tutorial, you know, in a while, because I don't know if you've seen my past video. I did a tutorial on how to do my own hair, but that was years ago. I hate looking at that video. But honestly, I am not too sure how this video is going to come out. But if you guys know any areas that I can improve on with the tutorial, just leave it down in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to make those changes, because I want to put out the best content for you guys, and also I just want to be able to, you know, show my work to you guys in better ways. And yeah, this is going to be the finished result. Hopefully it was semi-understandable. And also, don't worry if the bun looks all messy. It's supposed to look like that. The main part of this hairstyle is just the 2 braids going back. And yeah, I hope that I was able to help you guys do this hairstyle one way or another. And let me know what else you guys would like to see. And don't forget to follow my Instagram. And I will see you guys next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.